Hi, it's Vladimir Gortsev. Today I am going to talk about the trading strategy one adjusted from the Forex market in 2017. Naturally, I had to make considerable modifications to some rules and conditions, but the very essence of trading within the price channel is there. This strategy is fully set up, my subscribers from different countries and I have been using it successfully for several years now. It can be used only in a specific time of day when the market is weak. We will need currency pairs and the Bollinger Bands indicator, which is available in any modern trading platform. The money management system here is the same as in the new strategy, which I described in detail in Lesson 2 of my free course. By the way, if you have not taken my course yet, you can find the link to it below this video on YouTube. The lessons are sent automatically every 24 hours. All these lessons are free of charge, and they will not be followed by any extra paid content. Link to the video with the description of the new strategy is now in the top right corner, if you are watching this video on YouTube. Let's get back to the trading strategy with Bollinger Bands. First, a little bit of history. From 2007 to 2008, when I entered into trading, and was making my first steps in Forex, the most popular trading strategies on the market were aimed at trading within price channels during the opening hours of the Asian session, as it then was called. In fact, the best hours to apply such strategies, let's call them channel strategies, are before the Asian markets open, but for some reason, they were called Asian session trading strategies. Let it be so. Since a large number of people developed, upgraded and tested such strategies, I joined the majority, and for many years, channel trading strategies were my main tools on Forex. So, I can assure you, I know a thing or two about this kind of trading strategies. Later on, Forex brokers deliberately began to make their trading conditions worse precisely at the time of the day when we used these systems. Let's take, for example, widening spread, artificial increase in price slippage, and the inability to place pending orders close to the current market price, yet again, exactly at the time of the day we need. Over time, interest in scalping in the Asian session began to fade, and novice traders, coming to Forex, usually took up strategies of other trading methods. What was such a long introduction for? I wanted to emphasize that the trading strategy, which I will talk about further in this video, did not spring up out of the blue. When I discovered that trading in the price channel, which used to be popular on Forex for a reason, could be adapted for this financial market, I immediately got down to business. The strategy underwent some modifications and continued to adapt to the conditions of this market, probably for almost a year. My English-speaking subscribers were most helpful in this endeavor, and I am genuinely grateful for their support. As far back as in 2017, I had more than 100,000 English-speaking subscribers. It was only in 2023 that I created my English-speaking blog. It is better to use the strategy from 6 p.m. to 5 am in the GMT 0 time zone. Adjust your time if you are in another time zone. If you do not know what GMT is, just Google it in any search engine. Why is this trading strategy suitable for the time interval I have mentioned? The thing is, at this time, the European exchanges are closed, and currency pair trading becomes less intense. This is exactly what we need, for the market to be devoid of strong trends. The Bollinger Bands trading strategy works better on the flat market. There are various ways to build a price channel on the chart. To do this, you can try to connect local highs and local lows, draw price levels through extreme points, or you can simply use indicators that are present in one form or another in all modern trading platforms. Bollinger Bands is one of the most informative, convenient, and widespread indicators. If we activate this indicator, it is going to appear on the price chart along with standard settings. Now you see how it looks on the chart of the Pocket Option Broker. I will provide a link to this broker below, in the description of this video. I've had my account there since 2018, but I also have brokerage accounts with other brokers. We need to change settings to 25 and 3. To give you an example, I will do the same on my other account on Quotex. I open the list of indicators, select Bollinger Bands, set the variables at 25 and 3. As you can see, the price chart is similar to the Pocket Option chart. So if you wish, you can apply this strategy for the accounts of many brokers of this financial market. As I have mentioned, the time frame is equal to 1 minute. This is a candlestick chart. You can choose the expiry time between 2 and 3 minutes. Personally, in recent years I have been more accustomed to working with 3-minute options. The trading strategy has an important filter that filters out dubious signals for making a deal. You can watch a video about it. Just follow the link in the top right corner if you are watching this on YouTube. This video is also about the filter for the Bollinger Band strategy in Lesson 3 of my free course. To conclude transactions, you need to look at the charts of currency pairs, looking for convenient moments to enter the market. The channel built on the screen by the Bollinger Bands indicator should not be narrow. You can learn more details and see more information in the video about filter. We are interested in the price approaching one of the channel borders. If the price approaches the upper line of Bollinger Bands, then we get ready for buying a put option. If the price approaches the lower line, then we prepare for buying a call option. Check the current width of the channel and compare it with the earlier one. If the width of the channel is average, like here, for example, then to make a trade, you need to wait for the market price to cross the border of the channel. As soon as this happens, you should immediately trade in the direction from the channel border to its median line. If the channel is wide on the chart, then you should not wait for the price to cross the line, it is enough for them to converge. The wider the price channel, the more difficult it is for the price to hit its line. Take this into account. Let's look at a real-life example of using this strategy. Now we see the price channel, built by the Bollinger Bands indicator, on the chart of the currency pair. The market price is approaching the upper border of the channel, and I am getting ready to trade. I buy a put option with a 3-minute expiration time. Then I just watch what is happening on the chart. The price bounced off the channel border, and the trade closed with a profit. Now let's turn to the second example, when our option closed with a loss. I remind you that in all my strategies I use a special money management system based on a modified martingale strategy. In addition, if it comes to the fourth option in the series and further on, then the expiration of transactions is changed according to the algorithm I developed. You can check the details on how and under what conditions the expiration of options is changed within a series of transactions in a special video. Now you can find a link to it in the top right corner. This money management model helps avoid problems with protracted trends. For more information on changing the expiry time, check Lesson 5 of my free course. By the way, I do not have any paid courses. As I was telling you this, my trade closed with a loss. When it happened, I made the second trade for 3 minutes in the same direction as the first one. The value of the second option is 3 times higher than the value of the first. By the way, all my trade size increase coefficients are fully covered in Lesson 2 of the course. They are not the same for all trades in a series. So, the second trade for $30 closes with a profit, bringing me 24 USD. From this profit, I deduct the costs of the first transaction, which amounted to 10 USD. Net profit amounts to 14 US dollars. You can learn how to use the trading strategy with Bollinger Bands on demo accounts of different brokers. The main thing is that the broker should offer acceptable returns for currency pairs during the best hours for using this strategy. As I said earlier, I have trading accounts with several companies, but for this strategy, I like the trading conditions in pocket option the most. I will provide a link to the official website of the broker in the description of this video. The broker has free demo accounts to learn and practice. On my YouTube channel, you will find recordings of my live trades using this strategy in practice. Be sure to watch these videos, they will help you quickly master the strategy and use it in your trading. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I do my best to share valuable information that will help you quickly achieve stable and positive results in trading. I'll be also grateful if you give this video a thumbs up. Thanks. If you have any questions about this strategy, please post them in the comments section under the video. I will do my best to reply to everyone. I wish you successful trades. See you.